Hi guys, today I want to show you how to replace screen for iPhone 6. So this is already cracked, so let's start. So first you need to remove this two screw, like we are remove every phone. So we remove two screw from here, and then so after that you need just little bit heat gun. And then you need this one for take up the screen. So and also you need for this one, put it here and push like that, and here. Okay, it's already open. So this phone you need to take up like that. Okay, and then you put something on behind this phone. Okay, so now we need to remove these 4-5 screws. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let's start. Okay, 1 2 3 4. I think it's 4 and 5. Okay, so there is 1 2 and behind one more. I will show you. First you need to remove this one. 1 2 3 and 4. So screen is removed. There is 4 chip, so you need a same LCD, same screen for put it back. Okay, so we already buy new screen, so we are put it back in that screen. Okay, so that's our new screen, iPhone 6. So this is very easy to do that. So there is 4 pin 1 2 3 4, which is we remove. So this is put it back. So first you need to put this big one, and second, third, actually that's very easy to do that. So your screen is already changed, so your phone is working right now. So you need to put back for this one. Okay, so screws is, this is little longer screw, so this screw you need to put back on this corner. And this is small screw, so this one you need to put these two corners. Okay, so press up top side first and then slowly push in the sides. Okay, and there 2 screws, put it back, 1 and 2. Okay, so your phone is ready to go. Okay, thank you so much for watching.